Future weapons of United Arab Emirates. F-35 Lightning II, national origin, United States, role, stealth multi-role fighter, status, unknown. Sukhoi Su-57, national origin, Russia, role, stealth multi-role fighter, status, unknown. Dassault Rafale, national origin, France, role, multi-role fighter, status, unknown. Eurofighter Typhoon, national origin, European Union, role, multi-role fighter, status, unknown. F-18 Super Hornet, national origin, United States, role, multi-role fighter, status, unknown. MQ-9 Predator B, national origin, United States, role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, status. On November 10, 2020, the U.S. State Department approved the sale of up to 18 MQ-9 Predator B to the UAE pending approval by Congress. Gowind Class, place of origin, France, type, Corvette, expected, in service 2022. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.